Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll see the subscription form which we created in the previous video, how you can add it to the website. So once the form is created on our MailerLite account, all we need to do now is we can add this to our particular account to our website. So let's say we have a WordPress website. So we will go to the backend of our WordPress website where we will have to add a MailerLite plugin. So we can go to the plugin section where we can search for MailerLite. And now you will see multiple plugins related to MailerLite. What we require is a MailerLite sign up forms plugin. So with this plugin, once you attach this to your WordPress account, it will simply ask you to connect your API key. So you can get your API key from your MailerLite account and you can add that in the plugin. Once you attach the API key over here, then it will allow you to link your form from the MailerLite account into your WordPress. So, and that way we will be able to add our form to our WordPress website, and then you can use it on any page. I hope this makes sense. You understand now. So what you require is a MailerLite plugin in your WordPress website. With that, you will be able to embed the form on your website. I hope this makes sense. You understand the complete process. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this, and I will see you in the next video.